Hi everyone, Caroline here. So I'm noticing two things. Number one, people need human connection. I need human connection. You need human connection. Number two, there's too much AI technology everywhere. Oh my gosh, what is going on? They're pushing this technology on us, and yes, I know there's good benefits to it. But as conscious beings, having these technologies just being inundated and thrown at us at all points, at all times, everywhere. I mean, you can't look anywhere without this technology being pushed down our throats. And I don't even know why I keep talking about this thing, but I have realized for myself that because of this AI technology, a lot of loneliness is creeping into the system. Most conscious beings are lonely or isolated for whatever reason. And I know there's that kind of isolation that comes because we have to step aside and be apart from other things while we work on things within ourselves so that we can bring those things out into the world and really, really shake some things up to create new realities. But there's another type of loneliness where we feel detached from a lot of things and we begin to move ourselves away from a lot of people within our consciousness experience and the people who really should be connected with us. That really causes some kind of pain. And in many cases, I'm finding out for myself and even for others that I know that people truly want that connection. People truly want to be connected because there's this new energy that is bringing the idea and the longing and the yearning for human connection into our consciousness. And many people want this thing, but people are now so detached from the idea that they can be with others in this new space, in this new higher consciousness way, without really like latching on to the idea of how things used to be in the 3D dimension. People have kind of separated themselves or maybe even given up that there's nothing productive that can really come from the idea of being in union with another. And this is not even in a sexual way, this or a romantic way. This is just talking from the point of view of people coming together as souls to just enjoy each other and to expand each other, or even two people coming together in Vesica Pisces energy and creating something that expands. And you know, I feel this thing so strongly because AI and this digital world, while it is good in some ways, it is not for a lot of us. And some of us are really here to penetrate that technology and to push forward in the consciousness of light that comes from within us to create a higher expansion based on light. And this has nothing to do with AI technology the way it is right now. It has everything to do with the technology of our hearts, the technology of higher consciousness. I personally, I am so averse to this AI technology as it is. I have said it so many times and I keep thinking about it because I know that there is an agenda behind it, and many of us are getting lost in the details of this technology because it appears to be kind of taking over the way we think, the way we process things, the way we answer questions. I mean, you can't get online these days without having AI trying to intervene or just trying to override your decisions. You know what I mean? I personally am not playing around with a lot of those things unless they're completely forced on me, but I force myself to use my energies to communicate in whatever way is possible for me. I'm not sure how you guys feel about this thing, but as conscious beings, we must begin to use our voices. We need to start sharing the things that Spirit has put within us. You know, all those things that we have learned, that we have embodied, that we have integrated, that have come from our hearts, from ourselves, that no one has given to us. If you've received anything from Spirit, from your dreams, from any kind of internal network that supports your experience in this lifetime, that is helpful, we must begin to open our mouths and share them. I mean, even if it means coming on social media, we don't have to care about the algorithms. We don't have to care whether those algorithms support us or not, or promote us or not. The fact that we take action and put our messages out there and speak and let the sound of our voice penetrate and reach out and bring down those AI walls and help that energy move through to touch another person who is waiting for heart consciousness to activate them. That action alone will change things. Taking those actions alone will create a human connection. Taking those actions alone will bring down the level of loneliness. It will create communities. It will create unions. And AI is not going to be the thing that is taking us forward. So, what is your message? What is your expression? I'm thinking about this thing because I have personally been shown and seen that we are going to have to be able to express ourselves and talk or be of service in some way in these coming days. You know what I mean? It's almost like something is coming, and a lot of people are going to want answers, and we are the ones who are going to be there. We are the ones who are going to be present. We are the ones they are going to turn to. So this is the time for some of us to kind of come out and really start sharing. Do not look at numbers, do not look at algorithms. I know this is something that deters a lot of people that I've spoken to. This is one of the reasons why people don't want to share, because they're thinking, oh my God, no one's going to see me. No one's going to find my videos. No one's going to hear me speaking. No one's going to read my work. No one's going to see me singing. No one's going to do this and do that, whatever. But at the end of the day, people always find the people that they need to find. And I know that something is coming and is going to be coming soon. Like, I can kind of feel it. And I know a lot of people know that the world is about to change in some really, really interesting ways and in some really wild ways, and we need to know how to connect with each other, and we need to know that we are no longer separate. That world where people were separate and people were isolated and people were lonely is ending. It is ending. I know it. I have seen it and I have felt it, and now is the time for everyone to come together, and we are going to come together, and it's going to happen very organically, but we must put ourselves out there so that our signals can be seen, so that our sound can be heard, and so that we can be found. You know what I mean? And please, I know AI is good, so I'm not judging that. I know it helps a lot of people and in so many other ways, but in an interesting way, there's something that's happening beneath that current that keeps people apart. So people are very comfortable on being online and not being able to connect with each other or other people one on one. So let me know what you think about this thing. How are we going to come together? How are we going to combat loneliness? And how are we going to really penetrate the walls of artificial technology so that we can connect on the basis of heart technology? Because that is surely the way forward. Things are not as they seem, but they are beautiful nonetheless. So let me know what you think. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.